Hi, my name is Anya and today I really want to make some candy cane cookies. So if you like this video, give it a like, comment and subscribe to my channel for more videos. And don't forget to that notification bell to be notified every time I upload. I upload every day, Monday to Friday. In a bowl with 3/4 cups of flour, add in a pinch of salt and a 1/4 teaspoon baking soda. Mix and set aside. In a bowl, combine 4 tablespoons of butter and a 1/3 cup of sugar. Mix until light and fluffy. Add in 1 egg yolk and 1 teaspoon vanilla essence. Mix until well combined. Add in your dry ingredients and mix until a smooth dough forms. Crush 3 candy canes and add them to your mixture. Spoon your mixture out onto a baking tray. And bake at 180 degrees Celsius for 15 to 20 minutes or until the edges are golden brown. And ta-da, you have some candy cane cookies. Enjoy!